Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's Jeff at Lockdown Security, www.lockdownsecurity.ca, and I am bringing you a video today on this 2018 Subaru BRZ, or BRZ here in Canada. We did a few different things to this car, and basically what we did was we made it safer. So here's my installer, Sal. He always likes to interrupt our videos and pop in the frame. But basically, back to this vehicle, what we did was we did a Thinkware U1000 D32 CHF 2-channel dash camera. That's the new 4K dash camera from Thinkware. Let me just walk up to the windshield here and I'll show you. So basically there's the front camera. The rear camera is back here. Kind of hard for you to see with the glare, but it's just in the top of the back window right there. We're going to be adding the Thinkware TWA RDR radar sensor to this. That is essentially the radar motion sensor that helps with parking mode and helps to conserve battery strength. That's compatible with the U1000. So not only did we do the dash camera, but we also did the Rydeen PSR 4000D 4-sensor parking sensor kit. So basically you're going to see the 4 sensors along the back. And then we also did the flagship Rydeen BSS2X radar blind spot kit. So those sensors you can't see because the bumper's back on. Now, many of you are going to ask us, why is the center light out? Well, we also converted the center light to what we call the fourth brake light. So on the BRZ, the lens there has the reverse lights, and in the center, it's got a triangular red lens. Here in Canada, that lens does not have a bulb, it does not have a light, so what we have done is we've put a 3157 LED bulb in that opening. We put a 3157 bulb holder in there. We're just actually waiting for the mount to cure. We've had to glue the mount on the back of it to hold the bulb holder. But essentially it's going to turn that little triangular portion into a fourth brake light. There are kits available for this vehicle. We built this one ourselves, but essentially some of you that own this car or the FRS know that there's a flashing brake light kit available. That is not what we put on this vehicle. So basically I'll just show you the sensors. So there you go. You can hear it actually beeping as I walk up to it. So there's 4 evenly spaced sensors along the back. Those are there to detect objects as the vehicle is backing up. I'm going to hop in the vehicle and I'm going to show you a couple of other things. So display for the parking sensor kit is right there. We put it up on the windshield. We were a little bit concerned that you may not be able to see it, but it turns out it actually is the perfect spot for it. The Rydeen PSR 4000D allows you to mount the display upside down like that or the other way around. Commonly they're mounted on the mirrors, but basically in this case, because the mirror's got a bit of a curve, we didn't want to put it there. We wanted to put it on the window. We put the U1000 camera on the windshield right there. And then you are going to see, if I turn the signals on, there is essentially the radar blind spot kit displays right there. Now, we have not attached these yet, so we're waiting for the customer to come back to essentially take a look at where he wants to actually mount these. But you'll see there is an indicator over there on the passenger side, an indicator here on the driver's side. And essentially what happens is if you were driving along and there was an object, a vehicle, a person, or anything like that in your blind spot, it'll alert you and you will have a beeper turn on. Now, the radar kits are much more accurate. That's why we prefer them. And the BSS2X is the flagship, the latest version of this kit. I will quickly show you the box of the Thinkware dash camera. Here it is, the U1000. Lots of different features, cloud functionality, parking mode, the radar sensor 4K. It's got built-in GPS, built-in parking mode, super night vision, all of that. Great camera, one of the most popular models. Oh, and it also comes with the polarizing filter, the CPL filter. And that's pretty much it. Car also has a factory backup camera, just in case you were wondering. We've made this vehicle essentially as safe as can be. And if you or somebody you know is interested in making your vehicle safer, you want to add a dash camera, you want to add a car stereo, pretty much any automotive electronics for your car, feel free to give us a shout, 647-439-4485, or toll free, 1-866-824-4118. You can also send us an email, sales@lockdownsecurity. And if you could, hit the like button on this video. It goes a long way to help us make more videos like this in the future. And subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep updated on further videos that we will make in the future. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.